In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create audio recordings using Clipchamp. Whether you're a content creator, a business professional, or simply someone interested in recording high-quality sound, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Clipchamp. You can do this easily by opening your preferred web browser and entering Clipchamp's URL in the address bar. Once you've reached the site, you'll see a user-friendly interface. Clipchamp is a versatile tool offering various video and audio editing features, but today we're focusing on audio recording. Next, head over to your media section. This is where you'll manage all your media files, whether it's videos, audio clips, or images. Here you'll find a button labeled Record and Create. Go ahead and click on that. It will present you with multiple creation options like recording audio, creating videos, or even capturing your screen. For today's task, choose Audio. At this point, Clipchamp will request permission to access your microphone. This is crucial as it enables the tool to capture high-quality audio directly from your input device. Make sure your microphone is connected and working properly. If prompted, grant Clipchamp the necessary permissions. This might be through a pop-up message from your browser asking for permission to use the microphone. Accepting this request ensures that your voice is captured clearly and without interruptions. Once you've allowed microphone access, you're ready to start recording. Take a moment to prepare your environment. Find a quiet space to minimize background noise and ensure your microphone is at an optimal distance to capture sound clearly. A quick tip, you might want to do a short test recording to check your sound levels and adjust the microphone's position if needed. Now it's time to press the record button. Start speaking once you're ready. Clipchamp's interface will display a visual indicator while it records, so you'll know it's capturing your audio as you talk. Feel free to pause if you need to gather your thoughts. This tool is designed to be intuitive and easy to manage, allowing you to focus on delivering your content smoothly. Once you're satisfied with your recording, click Stop to finish. Clipchamp will automatically save your audio file in your media library. From here, you can edit your recording if necessary, whether it's cutting out silent parts or enhancing the audio quality. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of recording audio on Clipchamp. It's a straightforward and efficient method for producing excellent audio content. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching and happy recording.